Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy, and we go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday, May 20th, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey guys. All right, let's start with eBay, which wasn't a whole lot today. Facebook again took the lead.
What do you think about that, Mr. Reese? Yeah?
So this is a vintage Levi's orange tab vest. So orange tab is just literally an orange tab. Like most Levi's, like newer ones have like a red tab, I believe. So generally the ones I found that don't have a red tab are the ones that are going to sell for more. The silver tabs do well.
Yeah.
I don't really understand Levi's. I mean, I think there's like a whole thing about
Well,
Levi's.
they've been around for so long.
Yeah.
There's so many.
So the orange tab, I
varieties.
believe, almost all were made pre-2000 at least.
Okay.
So anyways, this was definitely a vintage one, and I paid $8.99 for it at Goodwill. Sold it on eBay for $45.95 plus ship. So
Not bad.
yeah, really good. All right, and then we have a viewer sale going out to Dawn. So that's in box S. She grabbed this dopey shirt, which actually was my personal shirt. I bought it off Mercari, and then I wore it a few times and then relisted it. So I really love Snow White. For some reason, like, I love the grumpy stuff, the dopey stuff. So hope you love it as well. But she grabbed this for $9.99 plus shipping. So Dawn, thank you so much. She said she loves watching our channel and how we work together. And she said her husband would never do it, and he's not into it. And yeah, so I thought that was funny.
It took us a long time to be able to work together like this.
We still don't work together.
Yeah, it's still not perfect. We still got a lot of work to do.
Alright, so this whole closet is a little full of boxes. I don't see it. Do you see it?
No, I have a feeling it might be on the floor in there, but
Okay.
we'll have to dig through there in a little bit. We'll get through this
come
other
back to
stuff.
that one. Alright, so BA. Yeah, the rest of these sales are going to be Facebook now. So I sold these murals, but I also, the same buyer bought 2 pairs, so I'm going to pull the other ones and then box I. Alright, so yep, another pair of murals. So these ones I got at the Dillard's discount. I have about $19 into them. So they're basically new without box. These ones I just got from Goodwill for $12.99. They're just gently used, but both really nice pairs. And she got these for $80 plus shipping for the 2. And yeah, so I basically profited about 40 bucks off of these.
Very nice.
Yeah, really, I was happy about that. All right, HA.
Sorry about the loud noises if you guys hear that. We do have a lot of construction going on in our neighborhood. They're tearing up sidewalks and that kind of stuff, so.
So these are some Alegrias. These I actually paid up for. I paid $19.99 for them at a thrift store just because they were in like perfect condition, and this style has done well for me. I think I've sold it 2 or 3 times and for about $50 plus shipping every time. So I knew I could double my money, which is about exactly what I did. I sold them on Facebook, 45 plus ship. So after fee, I'm basically making about 40, maybe like 42. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. And then BF. Pretty sure these are it. And the jeans in there. So these are some Torrid, like they're like a cropped, I don't know, jean. I don't remember if they had a style or anything, but picked those up at Goodwill just like a week or so ago for $6.99 and sold them for 25 plus ship.
So what does cropped mean?
Just like shorter, like it almost like, I feel like capri, but they call them crop now.
Okay.
I feel like maybe a little bit longer than capri, but shorter than full length.
Clam diggers?
I don't know. That could be wrong, so let us know if I'm wrong. I don't mind crop jeans, but, or I don't mind my jeans to be short like that, but it seems like they're not
It's not in
the most
anymore.
popular, but those sold fast, so. Then I sold these little Oshkosh overalls for $10 plus shipping, so not huge. I did pay $1.99 for them. The reason I sold them for $10, I had them listed at $12. The lady asked if I would do. She wanted another pair of overalls too. She was like, "Will you do 10 plus shipping combined?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I told her, but combined shipping, because 2 of them was going to be over £1 would be $9, so it wasn't really a discount, because these ones are under $8 and the other ones were like going to be the $5 something label, so basically would have been $9 either way. She's like, okay, well, I'll just do these ones then, and she wanted them for 10. So I was giving her 10 plus 10 because she was doing both and gonna save me, shipping an item, but it's okay. I'm still happy with 10. I would have taken 10 either way. So yeah, $10 plus shipping for some baby overalls. I like overalls. They're super easy to list and photograph, store, everything. So then they sell fairly quickly. All right. So yeah.
All right. Yeah. Let's go dig through this closet. I won't record it all, but we'll.
I hope it's in here.
Yeah.
I mean,
we'll be right back.
Sell it.
I have a feeling it's on the floor, right, kind of by the thing right there. So. And it was just as I turned the camera off. That was exactly where it was. So.
All right. So I sold this Velcro, like laptop case or briefcase, whatever you want to call it. This came from my aunt's home about 5-6 years ago. When she passed away, we kind of went out to California, cleared out her whole home.
Yeah.
We, at the time, just, we were on a time crunch, so we kind of donated most of the stuff, but we brought a small U-Haul home of stuff, and this was one of the things that made its way here. So it should just been sitting in that closet, honestly, for this whole time. I think I only listed it a few months back, and I sold it for $15 with discount shipping. So
yeah,
making like $9 plus some change. So I'm happy with that. It's better than just sitting around. Hopefully, someone can get good use out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, slower day, but still some pretty good sales here. So I'm happy. I haven't done any new listings, so if I did, I probably would have had more sales. But I've been working.
Yeah, she photographed
all of those.
She photographed all these shoes last night and today.
Yes, I did like 20 pairs last night and probably 50 pairs today so far. They obviously are not listed. It's going to take days to get them listed, but Chris also told me our garage sale, which I thought was just on Saturday.
Yeah, they sent out a notice. It's 2 days. It starts tomorrow at 9 a.m.
We're debating if we were going to do both days. I mean, I'd rather do a 2-day than a 1-day so we could just get rid of more stuff, hopefully, but
puts just a better, more pressure on us.
Definitely is going to make stuff here take longer, so, and that's okay. I mean, I want to get rid of some stuff at a garage sale, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, these are photographs, so they'll get listed when they get listed, and that should give our shop a really good boost when they do.
Yep. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back with you guys. Reese. All right, guys, we got all the shipping done. We did not have any more sales come in. Been a pretty slow day, but that's not too bad. We had a busy day yesterday. That's kind of how it goes. Yeah. Ebbs and flows. So.
Yeah, last night I did end up doing, I think we were at 10 when we did the video, so I did 7 more after I picked up Connor. So. Not too bad. I got all the bras listed. Well, not all. Still, we still have some in our room downstairs because there's no room up here at the moment. But I was hoping those would sell out, but none have sold yet.
Our bra storage is kind of getting overflowing there.
I've seen a bunch of watchers on eBay and likers on Mercari and stuff. So if that's you guys, thanks for liking them.
Yeah.
Feel free to send an offer. So.
But yeah, as far as the rest of our day, I think we're gonna. I think we are going to do the yard sale Friday and Saturday, which means I've got to get the yard mowed. I haven't even done our first mow of the season yet, and so the yard is kind of a mess. Going to have to do a lot of yard work, and they're doing a lot of construction outside. I think I mentioned that earlier. They've been loud, so I really don't know about parking, how that's going to work out. We got a lot of stuff to plan with the yard sale. I think we're going to go through the house. And find some stuff that we're just going to try to get rid of. Probably got to go get some stickers for pricing and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah. I can't stand when people don't price stuff at their garage. So what do you guys?
That's one of Kathy's. If she doesn't see prices, she leaves.
I don't like to ask because then it's like if they say a too high price, then I feel bad like leaving it because I was interested and now I'm not because you said a high price. And it's like the high price is usually not that high.
Right.
if you want the item for yourself, but it's usually too high to resell at. So
Yeah.
I just wish everyone would price everything at their garage sale. What do you guys think?
I'm sure there's a lot of hustlers out there that like the no prices so that you can kind of start haggling and all that. And I'm not that experienced with yard sales, but I think you could probably get better deals if there's no prices because I don't know. That's just kind of what I think. I don't know. Let me know if I'm wrong, I guess. Based on absolutely no experience at all. So yeah, that's going to be what we have going on today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Hopefully this yard sale does pretty good. We did have actually a few of you guys have mentioned or asked us to record some footage of the yard sale. I don't know. Kathy's going to be out shopping the sale because I think we have like 20 or so homes, more than 20 houses in our neighborhood that's going to be putting on a yard sale, and the kids are probably going to be here with me. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any footage. Don't hate us if we don't get any footage.
Put a camera in your truck and point it at the garage.
I have a Ring camera. We can ring it from our doorbell, I guess. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.